If you are looking for juicy, tender, fall apart, slow cooker shredded beef that you can use for so many different things, this is the recipe for you.
That is what I'm looking for.
Perfect! Stay tuned.
Hey guys, it's Will
And Courtney.
from NeighborFoodblog.com, and today we've got another great recipe for you.
We're super excited to be bringing you our most popular recipe on our site, slow cooker shredded beef. Let's get started. I've already preheated the slow cooker. Just set it to low heat, and that way we aren't putting the beef in a cold slow cooker. It just jumpstarts the process.
The piece of meat that we're going to use today is about a 3 to 4 pound boneless chuck roast, and you want to look for one that's got some good marbling of fat throughout. Don't be scared off if you see a lot of the white fat on this, because fat equals flavor, and the crock pot is going to melt a lot of that fat into delicious juices. This is going to be a really tender piece of meat to get that fall apart shredded beef texture that we want.
So to start out, we're going to take a fork and just poke the roast all over. That allows the olive oil, garlic, red wine vinegar, all of the seasonings that we're using to really soak into the meat. All right. In a small bowl, you're going to want to combine 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and give it a whisk. Then we're going to make our seasoning blend. We already have a mix of kosher salt, black pepper, dried parsley, dried basil, and our last one will be garlic powder. Plus a chopped onion, and sliced garlic.
Sliced garlic. Where's the sliced garlic at? TV magic! Next up, we're gonna rub the meat with the oil and vinegar mixture and the dry seasonings on both sides.
Okay, this roast is ready to go in the slow cooker. So we're gonna go ahead and transfer that in, along with any of the seasonings you can get off the cutting board. And then the final step is to scatter some onions and sliced garlic around the outside.
1 large onion and 5 garlic cloves.
And guys, you are not even gonna believe the flavor of the onions and garlic when this is over. It is so, so good.
Like candy.
Yes. Your crock pot should already be set to low, and then we'll just cover it up. It will take about 8 hours for it to be fall apart tender.
Boy, it's been 8 hours already. Time flies.
Yeah.
But it smells amazing in this house. There is no scented candle in the world that smells this good.
You're gonna open this up. It looks amazing. We've got caramelized onion and garlic on top, and we'll just kind of use a fork to, pull this apart. You can see it just breaks apart. That looks so, so good.
I'd say the fork test was a success. If yours doesn't do this, keep cooking it for another 1 to 2 hours.
From this point, you can go ahead and take the beef out of the crock pot and shred it on a cutting board. And it's ready to be used for so many different recipes. We purposefully kept the flavor profile of this pretty neutral so it can go a lot of different directions. What are your favorite things that we make with this beef?
This beef is really good on egg noodles, almost like a stroganoff. You can just shred it and put it right on top of egg noodles, or if you're a meat and potatoes guy like me, do some instant mashed potatoes and throw this on top. Some of the juices in there, it's like a gravy. It's delicious. So one of my other favorites is you make some cheesy sliders with this. Get like one of those packages of Hawaiian rolls or brioche buns, chop the tops, beef, a little bit of provolone cheese, and some pepper rings, and then you oven bake those. That's good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
What are some of your favorites?
We also like to do enchiladas. You can make tacos with this. You can do an Asian ramen. We also have that recipe up on our site. Really, it's just a super versatile thing, and it can also be frozen and taken out for a quick soup or something like that. So a very versatile recipe, one of our favorites, and one of the most popular on our blog.
So guys, we hope you love this recipe as much as we do. You can check out all the variations on shredded beef on our site, NeighborFoodblog.com. You can check out our other recipes as well, and check out our other videos on YouTube.
Thanks for joining us.
See you next time, guys.
And I'm here today to make some beef.
We're gonna rub the meat with the oil. Dang it! What? My brain is a 3 to 4 pound piece of meat right now. Ugh. Rub our meat down. I'm sorry. I'm gonna lose it again. I know it. I just know it.
Malarkey.
Slow cooker plus beef equals this.
All right, get back in here.
The house smells good.
We've had to smell the place.
Tell me more about these beefy smells. Mmm.